want to talk about this 12-inch carving knife from PAUDIN. This is a new purchase for me. I was looking for a new knife. I wanted something really sharp that could cut something really thin. I've got some nice serrated stuff, but nothing really sharp. Something like a brisket knife right here is going to be fantastic. Cutting a roast beef, you want really thin slices. This is exactly what this excels at. And tonight I'm cooking up a nice chuck eye steak. You see right there. Got it in the cast iron, and I'm going to give the knife a shot the first time. You can see right here, slicing for the first time, and it cuts like butter. And you can see right here, I'm able to get the slices really thin, which is exactly what I was looking for. I can just picture myself cooking up a nice prime rib, being able to cut something really thin off of it, or maybe a top round roast beef. I'm going to be able to get fantastic slices out of that too. I think this was a great purchase. I'm going to get a lot of use out of it. If you need a great carving knife for your kitchen, please click on the link in the description below.